Are you constantly getting logged out of the Tesco Bank app? It's a common issue related to session timeouts and the Remember Device feature. Session timeouts are a security measure that automatically logs you out after a period of inactivity, usually 10 to 15 minutes, to prevent unauthorized access. The Remember Device feature, part of the two-factor authentication, 2FA, should allow the app to trust your device for a longer period, reducing the need to constantly re-authenticate. However, problems can arise if this feature isn't working correctly or if app settings are misconfigured. We'll dive into why this happens and how to troubleshoot it. Here are steps you can take to minimize logouts. First, ensure you're running the latest version of the Tesco Bank app. Updates often include bug fixes and improved session management. Second, check app settings for an option to extend the session timeout. Tesco Bank has introduced options to extend timeouts up to 30 days for remembered devices in recent updates. Third, go into the app's security settings and re-enable the Remember Device feature. This forces the app to re-register your device. Fourth, clearing the app's cache can resolve conflicting data issues. Go to your phone's settings, find the Tesco Bank app, and clear the cache. Fifth, Android's battery saver mode can terminate background processes, including session management. Ensure the Tesco Bank app isn't being restricted by battery optimization. Finally, if problems persist, contact Tesco Bank support via app chat or email for personalized assistance. If these steps fail, it might be a device-specific bug. Some users have found success by ensuring they have a stable internet connection and enabling an always-on VPN. If this is a consistent issue, make sure to contact support ASAP and make sure to report this error as it's against regulations.